Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. It's a video to accompany my Etsy listing for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. It's an 18-inch horse skin shamanic drum. Rather beautiful coloration on this drum, I think. If I turn it over, you can see on the back here we have a branch handle. It's an ashwood frame. And this is a silver birch branch. I've burnt an image of a horse's head just on this branch here. That's to follow through on the energy of the horse. And as well as that, I've actually put ash and horse, burnt that into the frame as well. So you'll always have that reference for the energies, the animal and the tree that went to make this drum. I burnt my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I've also burnt in the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 28th of July 2024 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's for those of you interested in the astrology of the drum, the energies around when the drum was birthed. And because it falls into the house of Leo, I've put the symbol for Leo in there too. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose to do so. So let's start with the soft beater. Here we go. Got a beautiful, gorgeous deep tone to it. Oops. The firmer beater. So as hopefully you'll be able to tell there's a marked difference between the firmer beater and the softer beater. My preference is always the soft, to be honest with you. I like that nice, gentle, muted, deeper sound that the soft beater gives you. Okay, all that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision, being able to hear the drum, see what it sounds like. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.